Hello everyone, it's Aruto Rider 56 here, aka El Segundo Coupe, and I'm with from Hot Wheels City, and I'm with Torque Twister, hello, and Bone Shaker, hello. Yes, and today we're opening some 2024 new Hot Wheel cars and premiums. So, you can see I opened half of the 2024 cars. Let's see what we opened. Tell me, Tort. Gotcha. We opened Dodge Viper ACR SRT10. We opened Gordon Murray Automotive T50s. We opened Volkswagen T3 Custom. And we opened and we opened the Aston Martin DB4 GT High Speed Edition, and we opened the Liberty Walk Silhouette Nissan an R35 version 2. We opened a treasure hunt, a regular treasure hunt, a regular super treasure hunt of the Lamborghini Huracan Super Trofeo, and we opened the Toyota Supra and the Retroactive from Let's Race. So let's continue, right? Yes, let's continue. Alright, Bone Sugar, we want to open. Alright, Torture, we want to open next. Let's open McLaren F1. Ah, yes, McLaren F1. And it's from the HW the 90s. Number 9 out of 10. Yep. So let's open him. Here he is. Red. Yep. Got tail light, got headlights, and tail lights. So yeah, very cool. Thanks for helping me, Torque Twister. No problem, McLaren F1. Aww. Alright, Bone Shaker, your turn. Alright, let's open this one. Porsche 928S Safari from HW Dirt, number 10 out of 10. And it's a treasure hunt. A regular treasure hunt. I mean, a basic treasure hunt. Yep, so let's open him. You see? Congratulations! This symbol means you've just found a collectible treasure hunt vehicle. That right, the Circle Flame logo is a treasure hunt. And here it is. Safari Porsche. Red and black and yellow. Number 8. Your treasure hunt on the side. Michelin. Esparco. Yep. Very cool. Thanks for saving me, Bone Shaker. No problem, Porsche. No problem, Porsche. Alright, Torque Twister, your turn. Okay. Let's open this one. Ah, yes. The tuned 1994 Toyota Supra from Tuned. Number 4 out of 5. And it's Blackjack's car from Too Fast, Too Furious. So let's open them up. Here he is. Gold. Fast and Furious livery from Too Fast, Too Furious. Cool. Excuse me, sir. Thank you for saving me. No problem. No problem, Toyo Supra. Alright, Bone Trigger. Your turn. Okay. Let's open this. Let's see. Let's open this one. Ah, yes. The 17 Ford GT from HW Exotics, number 9 out of 10. Let's open them up. Here he is. Black rims. White with red stripes. Cool. Thank you for saving me, Bone Checker. No problem. No problem. No problem, GT. Wait. Alright, your turn. Okay. Let's open this guy. High Roller 2 from HW Rolling Metal, number 5 out of 5, and it's a new mod for 2024. And it's on Hot Wheels Let's Race. So, let's open him up. Let's open him up. Here he is. High Roller 2. Looks a little bit like a Rolls Royce, a little bit. Yep. Real cool. Thank you for opening me, sir. No problem, High Roller 2. Yes. Alright. Alright, Toy Twister, your turn. Okay. Let's open this one. Ah, yes. The Dodge Van. From HW Vans. Number 5 out of 5. The final car. Alright. Let's open them up. That matte black. Cool. HW Racing checker flag. Number 03. Let me see, what's this? Tani-chan and JDC. Nice. Thank you for opening me up. No problem, Dodge Van. Yay. Alright, Bone Shaker, your turn. Alright. This one. Ah, yes, the 1998 Subaru Impreza 22B STI version. From HW the 90s, number 10 out of 10. Final car. Okay? Let's put him up. Here it is. Matte white taillights. Number 368. With Mellow and Gravel Crew. Leeway Motorsports, Sparco. That. Cool. Thanks for saving me, dude. No problem, Subaru. Nice. No. Hey, Art Racer, huh? How like you open the last one up? Oh, the muscle car one? Okay. Alright, open you up. Can you give me all your please? Sure, I got you. We have a Ford Mustang Dark Horse from the Then Now series, number 10 on 10, and it's new for 2024. So, let's open him. Here it is, folks. The Dark Horse Mustang. Yeah. Very cool. Awesome. It's matte blue. Liking it. Thanks for saying me, buddy. Hey, no problem. No problem, Dark Horse. You're a good friend. Hey, why don't you join us? Join y'all? Yeah. You can help us open these guys, the premiums. Sure, why not? Here. Hey guys, meet our newest member to our team. Ford Mustang Dark Horse. Wow, Dark Horse Mustang. Sweet. Thank you. Now, let's bring in the premiums. Alright, but first, let's see what I opened already outside. The Toyota Toyota Land Cruiser FJ60 from TerraTrek. Look at that. I'm green. Awesome. No. Audi. D. Audi. E. Audi. Audi Dark Horse. Doing good. E. Yep. Alright. Torque Twister. You open one. Okay. Let's open this one. The Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution. TerraTrek. Read the artwork. Let's open him. Here he is. Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution. Thank you for opening me up. Torque Twister. No problem, Pajero Evolution. Hey there, Pajero Evolution. Hey there, Land Cruiser. Alright, Bone Sugar, your turn. Okay, I'm gonna open. Let's see. This one. Yes. The Hummer H1. TerraTrek. Here's the artwork. Let's open him. he is. Matt Gray. Awesome. Hummer in the back. Yep. Cool looking car. Awesome. Thank you for opening me up, Bone Checker. No problem. No problem, sir. Good. Hello, Toyota and Mitsubishi. Hello. Hello there. Alright, Alright, my turn. Let's open here. Here we go. "2020 Jeep Gladiator." Here, the artwork. Cool. Let's open them up. Sorry. Alright, here he is. 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Blue. Mopar on the side. Jeep in the back. Cool. They just open me up, dude. No problem. No problem. I'm Jeep Gladiator. Hey guys. Sup, Jeep? Hello. Howdy. Alright. Alright, Dark Horse. You go open the last one. Okay. The Datsun King Cab Baja Custom. Here's the artwork. And let's open him. And here it is. The Datsun King Cab Baja Custom. Here you go. Cool. Liking it. Datsun on the side. Got red, white, and blue. 720. Goodrich. Michelin. Billiston. Yep, Billiston. And Valvoline on there. Yep, Valvoline. Yep, and Datsun is in the back. Cool. Thanks, buddy. No problem, Datsun. Yep. Alright. So this was 2024 Hot Wheel cars from Walmart. Hope you enjoy. See ya. Oh, and don't forget, we still got more Hot Wheel Cars episodes for season 2. That's right. We're making season 2 of Hot Wheels City. I'm calling this series Hot Wheels City Horizons. Coming soon to 2025. So, yeah. See ya. Oh, I forgot. Gotta read on some of the cards. So, alright. Let's start with you, Dark Horse. Style, speed, and a whole lot of fun. Welcome to the 2024 Mustang Dark Horse. This track-ready next-generation pony car offers high-end performance with its impressive 500 horsepower engine. VW T3 Custom. Born 1979, Germany. Designer Volkswagen. With extraordinary aerodynamics, this isn't the peace-loving van you're used to, but a menacing track monster that will be in your rear view mirror one moment and 3 cars ahead of you the next. (2023) England. Designer Aston Martin. What would a land speed racer look like in the heyday of the search for ultimate speed? Aston Martin and Hot Wheels teamed up to answer that very question with this epic reimagination of the DB4. There we go. Last one. High Roller 2. Born 2023, El Segundo, California. Designer Hot Wheels. The modern day successor to the legendary High Roller 1 is here, featuring 201 horsepower at its core. This ultra luxurious 2-seater coupe is a vision of power and elegance that made for a rolling down the boulevard in style. Yep, so that's all the 2024 Hot Wheel cars. See ya.
See ya. See ya. See ya.
See ya.